Now this morning promises to be a great riding day. It's supposed to go up into the 50s today. I'll believe it when I see it. But either way, I want to get a nice early start on the day. I have to do a couple of things that most people don't have to deal with. I have to move a lot of motorcycles around, and I got to drink a lot of coffee too, because this was a very, very unique opportunity today that we're still in the middle of the winter here, and we're getting days. This day is supposed to be in the 50s. I don't know if it is, but everybody's that I got email from thinks today is going to be in the 50s, and they all want to ride. So bingo, I got to get a bike out, and I got to get ready and prep the bike up and be ready for that coffee when it's done brewing. Now, with some of the time I had available last week, and I managed to get Chris's bike finished. I have Vlad's parts over there. They've already dried overnight in the garage. They're ready to bring inside. I got the RD and the FZR all polished up and ready to ride. And the problem is I need a bigger garage. Call Jay Leno and tell him I need a bigger garage. Or somebody get that winning lottery ticket and we'll expand the garage. I don't buy lottery tickets, so it's probably not going to happen. It's such a good feeling to have almost all of the prep done for the summer. I think there's one or two bikes I haven't prepped up yet and gotten a winter grind off it. But getting the RD done, I was real happy to have that done. The FZR cleaned right up after a ride we had. I spent a good amount of time getting it cleaned and prepped up. And that's always, once those bikes are prepped up, I'm ready. And doing Chris's bike took a whole lot longer than we thought it would. Having that tire valve explode on camera, if you haven't seen that video, it's 2 days ago. Wow, what was that an exciting moment in my life. But these are all the parts that dried overnight. The clear is absolutely like jewelry here. I've tried to just look at it from every angle. That clear that is floating my boat. It'll actually make the coffee taste better, I'm sure. So that's the next step. That's got to dry for 2 or 3 days down by a heating vent, and we'll buff that out. Vlad will be so impressed when he gets that, and that's for an Aprilia Mondale. I thought Mondale lost the election or something, but apparently he bought Aprilia. So I don't know. Anyway, even these parts that were in really bad shape, they really, look, you can see your reflection in it. They really did come out nice. So as I say to Karen every morning, life is good. We live in a wonderful time. It's a wonderful time to be a motorcyclist. It's a wonderful time for everything. I don't know anything that it isn't wonderful for. And with all that winter oxidation off of the aluminum, it just makes a whole different experience to pull a bike out of the garage and have it all really nice and clean. Now I always want to check the tire pressure, and we're good to go. And because it's still cold early in the morning here, what happens is when we leave the house, it's really cold. But by noon, I think this day is going to warm up and be very nice. Before I head out, I just want to run a buffer over this. This paint has not been rejuvenated over the winter. And this will only take a few minutes, and I'll feel better about it. Now the funny thing is, it only takes a minute or so to do that, but what I'm going to be doing in the near future is just what I did with the FZR and the RD, is get it perfectly clean. But just want to get that winter, that is like little stuff growing on it. I don't know, and it's dust and dirt and everything. This might be the first really decent ride of the year. Now I generally, when I go for a ride, I like to have the bike clean as possible, but I really would have liked to have, since it's his turn in the rotation here, I really would have liked to have a whole day to clean this up, but it just didn't work out that way. And we have no control, absolutely no control of the weather here. This has been the craziest, like absolute craziest winter. Now, just a few days ago, it was really, really freezing. It was raining, it was cold. And then all of a sudden it's beautiful out. It's like we moved to Florida. I don't know. I don't get it. I don't need to get it. I just need to go get a cup of coffee and get suited up, get the radar detector, and get out of here. So before we head out, there is nothing more. This is the key to riding safe. This and wearing a leather jacket. Nothing is more important than that. Without that, and without our radar detector, we'd probably be in prison or in Guantanamo or something right now. True, thing really works, and many times it has saved me. Oh, it saved me. And as I look up at the sky, it is supposed to be 50 degrees. It's not 50 right now. It's about 40, but it looks like a decent day. There should be a lot of motorcycles riding around today. All the way over the other side of the line.
And they're all riding with yeah, like a BMX, like pedal bike.
This is probably one of the later models of the one we're restoring right now. So tell me about it. It's your bike. What's your name?
Jason.
Jason. Jason and the Argonauts. Then you like it, right?
That'll work.
All right.
That'll work.
We're gonna make you famous, man. You wanna be on TV? Your ass is on TV right now.
I'm kind of.
So this is a what? Tell me the year it is.
It was 2019.
A 19? Oh yeah.
Z650. You know.
Yeah. No, I'm very hip about the 650 thing.
Oh.
Mine is almost done.
Gotcha. What year for those? Oh, you said 09, right?
Yeah, it's an 09. A camera in the back, right? What else you got?
I got a camera, so camera on the front and back.
Cameras front and back. Can you imagine a man with 2 cameras on his front? What are you afraid of?
I'm a tech guy. So I have
Tech guy.
tech gadgets. I got my phone, USB-C.
Do you post any of your videos?
Will be doing this season because I just got the 360 camera up here, so I can kind of just set it and forget it.
Now, if you go to my channel, I post every day, so you'll see you'll see today's ride and you'll see your bike. So 8 days. Just count
days out. We'll do.
8 days out. Check it out and
sure subscribe because
this is nice. Very nice. These are beautiful bikes. Everybody thinks they're like an unknown thing. Then you ride one and you go into
this is how it happened.
I'm hip.
I went to the Kawasaki test ride, try each one.
Yep.
This was the last one the test ridden. I didn't even know much about it. I was just like, you know what? Let's just see what it is. And then I became fixated with it. I was like, you know what? I actually love it.
Now that it warms up, they're all coming out. Ah, you sissies. Look at this. Oh, they wait till it's 40, 50 degrees out. Oh my God. That's so funny. Anyway, I really do like your bike.
Appreciate it.
We gotta make your ass famous. That's all there is to it. And maybe the next.
Tell me more about this bike now.
Yeah, no, yeah. Go take a ride on it. Go. ride would be complete without some Green Mountain coffee. Oh yeah, hey, it's really cold out there. So how cool is this? We got our Green Mountain coffee here. Oh my God. It's a lot colder up here than it is in Rutherford, that's for sure. Well, you can see what kind of a day this turned out to be. It was really cold this morning, but it warmed up pretty nice. It was nice meeting Jason, nice friendly guy, and I hope he has good luck with his 650. I hope he gets to check our channel out and see our 650, and someday we'll have them both together. So, Jason, your new name is Jason and the Argonauts, and we hope to see you again. Anyway, this has been a really nice day. I'm not sure what else I can say except, wow. Spring is in the air, and hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.